Hey kiddos and adults, this is Mrs. Rowley with a quick tutorial over Workplace 3B, 5 in a row. As you know, when you click on the link, it's going to take you right to this instruction page, so let's read through the instructions and get to playing. This particular game could be played with by yourself or in pairs, so whatever you decide to do today. If you're going to play in pairs, find a fair way to decide who goes first. The first player draws 2 cards from the top of the face-down stack and reads the words or numerals, or counts the bundles and sticks pictured to determine the value of each card. Once the player has determined the sum, they search the game board. If they see the sum on the game board, they place their colored marker on the number. If the cards run out before a player covers 5 numbers on the game board, players can reshuffle the discard pile and continue playing until someone gets 5 in a row. As you already know, our games are virtual and all of these materials are embedded. So let's go down here to the game board. All right, here are my cards. I'm going to pick 2 of them, and these happen to be 2 numerals. So I want you to think about the strategies that you've used to add these up. If you want to use some sort of manipulative, like your Reckon Rec, you can do that too, but think about counting in groups. So if I have 41 and 48, you know what I'm going to do? The last thing we talked about when we were together, we used number lines, and that's what I want to do right now. I'm going to use a number line for this. I'm going to start at 41 because I'm adding. And I'm going to add 48. So I'm going to add 10, 58, 10, 68, 10, 78,
71.
And, oh, I lost my pen. 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. So this is the 40 that I've added already, but I still have to add 8 more. If I'm at 81 and I need to add 8 more, I think that's going to get me to 89, friends. All right, so if I have 41 and I add 48, it's going to get me to 89. Perfect. I'm going to pick a color that I like. I'm going to pick green, but I got to find 89 on my game board first, because if I don't have it, I can't cover it up. But there it is right there. Green. All right, and then if you're playing with a partner, it's the next person's turn. And if you're playing by yourself, then you just go again. So I'm going to erase my, no, oh yeah, I do. Okay, I'm going to erase my drawing. I'm going to pull my cards to the side so they're not in my way, and I'm going to pick 2 more cards. 1 and 2. These guys are bundles, so that's kind of helpful, right? Here you have 45, 6, 7, 8. Here's 48 and 35, 6, 7. So 48 and 37. And the beautiful thing about this is that I can just count the bundles. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So now I have to find 85 on my board. I guess I'm playing with myself, and that's okay. So I'm just going to keep adding until I get 5 chips on the board. All right, I hope this helps you play this game, and I hope you have fun playing it. Remember, find an adult, a sibling, or a friend, or you can play by yourself. Happy mathing!